Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I just wanted to talk in this video about staying consistent and keep taking daily action every day to improve yourself, not just in promoting your business or going after whatever it is that you're going after, but also improving yourself mentally and physically. Exercise and staying in good health is really an important thing. And just staying consistent in everything that you do. Take whatever free time you have in your day, put it towards your business, put it towards your goals, put it towards whatever it is that you're going after, and take whatever time that you have during the day to work on those things, and it will help you. It really will. And some things that I do a lot is I listen to a lot of motivational content. If you go onto YouTube and you type in motivational videos, you'll get all kinds of motivational talks, motivational speakers. You'll get a lot of those kind of things that will help you with your mindset and keeping you positive. And it's always also good to kind of meditate on your success. What I mean by that is to believe that you are going to succeed. It's just going to it'll just take some time, but envision yourself that you're going to succeed. Picture yourself in your mind succeeding. All those things are going to help you. I'm going to tell you one thing, and I think you already know this, but there's no such thing as a free ride in this world. Everything takes work, everything takes dedication, and if you do those things, you're going to find that at some point you're going to live your dream. You're going to, if you never quit, anything is possible. So definitely work on your mindset, work on staying consistent, taking daily action every day. I'm pushing myself to make at least one video a day, not only just to like grow my channel even more. I'm going to be giving more talks like this as well. Of course, I will be talking about my business, Exitus Elite, but I am also going to be doing these videos too for those people that aren't interested and they want motivation. So that's all I'm pretty much going to talk about in this video today. So stay consistent, work on your mindset, stay positive. If you make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. And you will find that if you keep doing these things and you keep doing all these things, it's going to help you. Whatever it is that you're going after. Not just online business, but anything you're going after. So stay consistent and stay motivated. And I hope this video is motivating you. And if it does, and if you like these kind of videos I put out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button below. And also hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you'll get notified when I upload new content. So I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.